And you can see it naman the composure is really there. And then after leading by as many as I think 16 or 18, they cut it down to to 2 points, but were able to get back because of this team is really thinking of this playoff na we will get after ng elimination against Meralco, and it's all about pride, because we know na in the last championship, the All Filipino, Meralco beat us. And then, ayan, we redeem ourselves from that loss. And then, in last conference, we never get into the quarterfinals. Now we're in the semifinals. I think it's a good achievement. But we're preparing for this conference to get all the way through the finals and eventually win the championship. But it's a long shot. Because in the next bracket, it could be Converge or Ginebra. And we know how strong that team is, and then especially Convert, they have a lot of big man that can match up to our big man at Junmar. And I think this game, so because of the dominance of big man, we're able to get a lot of free throws, and I think that's the turning point. Free throws 35 out of 40 because of their defense in the perimeter. They keep on hustling and pressuring the guard, and then covering our perimeter. So, but we have a big man that could help us, especially Mo. He helped us a lot. And this guy on my side, mga intangible nakikita natin I think that's it.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Now, Rodney, throughout the entire game, napansin namin na habang ka malapit sa basket, and you're always there to rebound and clean up the shots of your teammates. Given Meralco's tight defense, paano mo pa ulit na nakahanap at secure yung pwesto mo doon?
Siguro, sobrang tagal ko nang ginagawa yung ganyan sa rebounding. And syempre, kagandahan dito is divided yung attention nila, hindi lang nakafocus sa akin sa rebounding. So, nandiyan si Junmar, pero may rebound din. So, sabi ko nga kanina, siguro maganda lang yung sinag ng ball, kaya natatapat sa akin yung ball. Chamba lang, chamba.
Thank you, Rodney. Now, we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Congratulations. Throughout the eliminations, hindi lang si Junmar o si CJ, parang abstract kayo na talagang nag-contribute. Maganda yung pakiramdam na contribute kayo sa quarterfinals, especially nung mahabol yung Meralco third quarter, fourth quarter.
Alam naman namin na na hindi give up basta-basta yung Meralco, na ready naman kami kasi unang-una defending champion yan sila Tapos alam namin na kaya-kaya nilang bumalik yung character ng team, mataas yung respeto namin sa kanila. Siguro yung yung pride lang din namin na gusto rin talaga namin manalo. And the way na prepare kami nila coach sa practice, hindi naman sila nagkulang sa paalala sa amin. So kaya going dito sa game na to is ready talaga kami.
Coach, ano masasabi mo sa rebounding nyo kasi you were trailing yung first 3 quarters pero nabawi yung fourth, kaya kayo nagkaroon ng medyo comfortable dahil sa mga offensive rebounds?
Yeah, that's just the dominance of our big man, and then we capitalize. And if you notice, we seldom use Junmar and Mo at the same time, but we're preparing for these two guys to play together. Comes in the playoff times, and I think we hold down 55 rebounds, but they got a lot of rebounds too, 52. But because of the rebounding, they were able to get a lot of fouls. Sa offensive rebound, I imagine offensive rebound is 22, and 22 offensive rebounds, so it draws a lot of fouls and then free throw. That's why our free throw is 35 out of 40, and we focus on our free throws in our practices. After na practice namin, lagi kami may free throws dahil in the past, laging yung last 3 losses namin against Magnolia, Token Tex, at saka yung huli namin we lost through free throws. First game namin, 7 free throws against Token Tex. We lost by 3 points. Magnolia, 3 points. And then 8 points in the last game namin. Natalo kami. And then 3 points. So, 8 points. That's a very, binigyan namin ng emphasis
Coach Gooding, tsaka kay Rodney Reyes question. Coach, of course, hindi pa ikaw yung coach nung dinalo kayo ng Meralco sa finals last year. Pero satisfied ba, Coach and Rodney, na eventually kayo rin yung nag-dethrone sa kanila as Philippine Cup champion?
Well, hindi namin tinitingnan yung angle nila. What we're thinking, and we get into the next level of the competition, which is semifinals. We don't care kung sino yung kalaban, so no grudge para sa amin. But we're thinking of how to improve and learn every day because a lot of teams getting better, especially pagdating na semifinals. Fortunately, semifinals is a series of 7 games. But these players, they know how they play together and as a team because the next level it will be Meralco and then Ginebra probably or Converge and then we're thinking of how to get into the semifinals, not because our opponent is Meralco.
Rodney, ikaw.
Oo.
Naglaro ka.
Yung motivation ko kasi sinisingil na ako ng Bombay, kailangan ng bonus. Hindi, joke lang. Siyempre, wala naman kahit, gusto lang talaga naming manalo, kahit sino naman yung kalaban, hindi naman namin goal na talunin yung Meralco lang. Ang goal namin is mag-champion. So, kahit sino naman siguro yung makatapat namin sa quarterfinals, semis, ganun pa rin naman yung approach namin. So, sisimula pa lang rin naman kami, kung may trabaho pa sa semis and sa finals.
That sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to the San Miguel Beermen.
Thank you.
Thank you.